In this video, I will show you how to create a hotspot on your Samsung S25 and S25 Ultra. For example, if you want to share your mobile data connection with other devices over Wi-Fi, we can simply go in the settings, connections, and over here in the mobile hotspot and tethering. So if you want to enable the hotspot, you would click over here. And then to set up itself, we have to click on the text of the hotspot. And you see you can configure the network name here, so what will appear like, and also the password. Also, I suggest to change the band here, so probably to this one for most devices. So 6 GHz is obviously the fastest, but it might actually not work with a lot of devices that might be a few years old. If, for example, you are trying to connect some kind of very old device, maybe like 10 years old device, essentially some kind of old phone or whatever, then you might even have to set it at 2.4 GHz again. So, but I suppose maybe this function is the best essentially, so it can use maybe the both frequencies at the same time. So probably this one, but yeah, if you want the fastest speeds, make sure to set that. And also you can even create QR code here as well. So if you want to give internet access to someone else without actually sharing the password of the hotspot. So again, you can simply take his phone essentially, open up the camera and simply scan this QR code, and the person will be able to connect to this like Wi-Fi network that your phone is creating. Also, if you swipe down quickly as well, you see you have the quick toggle here as well for the hotspot here, so you can also quickly enable it or disable there. Click.